we are the residents of Bhobe residency from Green Valley. We've had a complaint since this morning which is registered at the PWD Porvorim, a letter which was sent with a sample, because since morning we found that our water tanks have been, the pipelines have been contaminated with the water which is being sent to us. There's a very stinky water with a lot of froth, and we've heard that the pipeline was merged in with some, got contaminated with the sewage line. And the PWD has still not taken any kind of an action. This is now at 5:30. We had sent a letter to them and approached them at 11:30. From then there's no calls which have been answered. They're wondering what are we supposed to do? Is the pipeline clean? Are we going to be getting good clean water tomorrow? Because right now the Sarpanch is here with us and we have been provided with water tanks for this area at least. We want to know from the PWD, we want from at least one person to be here to tell us what went wrong and what are they going to be doing about it.
Around 10 houses are being affected.
No, more than 10, yeah.
20 houses.
20 to 25 houses totally.
20 to 25 houses are being affected. In this colony alone. In this colony alone, 25 houses.
And it is not known to us how many other people are also affected with this contaminated water. Because nobody from PWD replied to us saying that, Baba, they are going to rectify the problem, or what is the problem, that also we are not known. But from some sources we have come to know that there is some sewage water or some contamination in the pipeline which they are going to rectify, but so far nobody from the department has come and replied to us. And we are not sure whether they are going to pump in a fresh water tomorrow or they are going to clean that pipeline thoroughly, because now our Sarpanch has arranged us water tankers, but that is clean water, we understand, but tomorrow when they are going to pump in, what water they are going to pump in, we are not sure about it. So it is we are very thankful to our Sarpanch, because on just in half an hour from the call, he attended to our problem and he was kind enough to give us these tankers and all that support. But my question is to this PWD department, why are they not informing people about it? Forget about rectifying the problem. At least they should have, they have to inform us, because there are so many children using it.
Responsibility of PWD, they should inform us. Whether the mistake has happened or some problem has happened, no problem, but you should inform us so that we should be aware that we have to take some action or something. Otherwise, we will not know. We will use that water. So this is a very huge problem for us we are facing now.
रामनाथ गोळेकर विलेज पंचायत किल्यान मार्रा. आयज भोबे रेजिडेन्सीन म्हाका एक कंप्लेंट येयली अराउंड 2 o'clock की तेंचे सगळें वॉटर आहा जे कंटेमिनेट जाल्लें आहा. सो इमिडिएटली विदीन हाफ एन आवर हांव स्पॉटार येयलो. द कॉज ऑफ दॅट हांव फायंड आवट करपाक प्रयत्न केलो. तेन्ना म्हाका अशें कळोन चुकलें की जेन्ना सुपरवायझरान सांगलें की एस्टरडे डेड एनिमल तेका पायपलायनी कितें डॅमेज करून तेका तें पुल्ललें आसलें, तेका लागून तें कितें तरी कंटेमिनेशन ऑफ दॅट वॉटर हे एरियेन हांगा सगळें जाल्लें आहा. सो म्हाजी इतकीच अपील आसली PWD तुमी हे आनी लोकांक इन्फॉर्म करा. हे लास्ट नायट हे जर घडलां सगळें जालां, पायप डॅमेज जाल्या, तर तेंच्या लोकांक इमिडिएटली इन्फॉर्म करूंक जाय आसलें की बाबा नॉट टू ड्रिंक दीस वॉटर बिकॉज वॉटर इज ऑलरेडी कंटेमिनेटेड. तशेंच लोकांक हे पिवपाक सगळ्यांक सोडलेलें आहा. एक्चुअली इज व्हेरी रॉंग. हे लोकांचे हेल्थ हेजर्ड, लोकांचे हे जिवना कडेन खेळपाचो हेंच्यांनी प्रयत्न केल्लो आहा. असो तेंच्यांनी प्रयत्न करपाचो न्हू. दोनांक जे कॉल म्हाका येयले आनी इमिडिएटली ते कन्सर्न सगळे JE एक्झिक्युटीव सगळ्यांक कॉन्टॅक्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. सगळ्यांनी इन्शुरन्स दिता की तांकां मिटिंगो आहा. म्हाका दिसता तेंच्यो मिटिंगो लोकांच्या लायफाकून व्हडल्यो तेंच्यो मिटिंगो न्हू. पयलीं सुवातेर ह्या पिल्यान गांवान सफिशियंट वॉटर सगळ्यांक सप्लाय केन्नाच जाल्लें ना. सदांच आमी टाकयेर वयता आनी कंप्लेनी करता. उदक लोकांक मेळना. तितल्या तितून असल्या तरेचें कंटेमिनेशन ऑफ द वॉटर ते लोकांक प्रोवायड करता. हेजेर कितें तरी PWD मिनिस्टर हेणी लक्ष घालपाक जाय. तशेंच हांगले JE जो एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर आहा हेंच्यांनी हो पियण गांव म्हणटा एक सुंदर गांव, सोबीत गांव, आनी आमचे बरे लोक हांगा बरे फॅमिली रावता. अशे तरेचें हांगा तर उदक सप्लाय हांकां करता आनी तुमी, तर कशें जातलें? तुमचे कडेन मिस्टेक जाले आसूंक शकता, तुमी तें कामूय रेक्टिफाय करता, पूण लोकांक इन्फॉर्म करा बाबा हें उदक पिवं नाका.